Hello traders, so today's going to be a short video. What I'm going to do is show you how to access Frost Algo. So first, just open up a new tab, type in TradingView, click on enter, and click on the first link. Now once you've clicked on the first link, you're going to need to log in, because you're going to need to have an account. It's free, so don't worry. Once you've logged in, you'll be redirected to this page, and just go to products and click on super charts. Just give it a bit of time to load. Now once you're on this chart, just click on indicators, go down to invite only scripts, and just click on Frost Algo version 2.1 or any other version that is available for you. And once it applied, you can start trading with it. You can go to settings and change the settings if you want. There's a lot of things to change, from reversals to trends and everything. Now for all the mobile users that are going to be watching this video, what you're going to do is go to your Play Store, download TradingView and open it. Now once you've opened it, click on the desired pair. Mine's going to be Bank Nifty. Click on this full screen. Now your chart should look something like this. Now then just click on plus, click on indicators, and then you should see invite only scripts. Click on that, and then click on Frost Algo version, and whatever version is that going to be by Frost Algo. Click on that and give it a bit of time to load. Just exit it out, and boom. Now as I showed you on PC, you can go to settings and you can change anything from reversals to support resistance, fair value gaps, all the way up to trend reversals, trend features, smart trail, trend clouds, etc. Now if you enjoyed this video, make sure to join our Discord and visit our site at frostalgo.com